So as a fellow XRP holder, I wanted to make a quick video for you to talk about the fact that we are being tested. We're being tested in multiple ways. The chart is actually being tested. We're going to talk about that in this video. But we as XRP holders are being tested. And I want to take you back to when XRP, before it was in the $2 range, where we were at there and where we're at now, and talk about the ramifications and kind of the landscape, if you will, of where we're at and my plan for my XRP going forward and how you can either take that and use it for your own or what have you. So with that, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. So let's jump into this. So we've got a lot to cover here for you. So one area where we're being tested is we have a key support level right now at the $2.20 range for XRP. Let's take a look at where we're at. We are right at that $2.20. In fact, have dropped below it, $2.19. So that is absolutely a key support level. We don't want to drop too far below that because it would signal more downside risk. Now, therein lies the segue, if you will, to the other part of us as XRP holders being tested, right? We are being tested in the context of the political arena, the mass market manipulation going on, all these different variables. And it makes it hard to be a XRP holder, quite frankly, a crypto holder, right? And ultimately, and I've said this in numerous videos, you have to come to your own place of, I'm okay with the volatility of being an XRP owner or being a crypto owner and holder, right? You have to ultimately decide if you're okay with the roller coaster that is crypto, the volatility, and quite frankly, the volatility of right now, no action, the volatility of nothing really is going on right now, right? We've got, we've got pressure, we got downward pressure coming from, again, my opinion, market manipulation going on at the highest levels, offshore exchanges, things of that nature. We've got that playing out. We've got, traditional finance coming in. I think everybody on the Wall Street side is loading their bags. They want to keep prices as low as possible relatively, right now. In fact, I think they would wish that obviously XRP hadn't gone up 400% in the month of November and into December, where we after Trump, we had a 420% move up. That took us up dramatically. If you go back and look at kind of all times, we were running right here, running at in that 50-cent range. You can see it, and then it just spiked and took off and went all the way into the $2. I think traditional finance, Wall Street, the powers that be wish that hadn't happened because it 4x'd the price of XRP, right? Sent it up dramatically in the context of cost acquisition and being able to buy it. So, and I think that they're trying to do everything they can to push that price back down. So again, you have to be okay with, this is part of the journey. Am I selling my XRP? Am I getting out of XRP? Absolutely not. I'm just trying to make you aware that there are other powers that be, and there are factors at play here, and that you need to know about them, and you need to know what they are, and you need to be okay with that, but B, have a plan. Is it to DCA in and buy some more as we continue to dip down? Is it I can't do it anymore and I'm just going to sell out and wait for everything to kind of bottom out, whatever that may be? Because the truth of the matter is, right here, everybody is scratching their heads as far as what is going on with XRP, with Bitcoin, with Ethereum. We should be in the throes, good word today, in the middle of a pretty significant bull run. We should have seen Bitcoin go to 150,000 by the end of March. Everybody in the room agreed to that. Even the bears and the bulls in the fourth quarter of last year. That was just a foregone conclusion. We're nowhere near that right now. We should have seen more massive move with crypto as it relates to all the major announcements coming out. The new SEC rulings, all that. Yes, I know we're still waiting on the SEC ruling to drop the Ripple case again, because there's a judgment already in place, $125 million judgment. I think that one's going to be slower to drop. We should have seen more and more and more up and up and up, and we haven't seen that. So you have to start kind of asking yourself the question, why is that? What is going on? I personally think it's manipulation, period. I do. And I've said this in numerous videos. This is nothing really new per se. but I'm okay with the fact that it exists, because I'm not going to be run out of crypto. I'm not going to be, pushed out of this, what I still believe at the end of the day is a massive opportunity. And you have markets continuing to go down 3.6%. Historically, weekends right now are not great for crypto. Any ground we gain during a week, usually we give up on the weekends. Again, we have this massive long consolidation thing playing out. And I think that's where we're going to be for the short term, for the foreseeable future, if you will. And again, we are being tested. And that's really what I wanted to kind of say to you as a fellow XRP holder. In fact, I bought more XRP this week. I bought it at like $2.50. I'm down in that, and I'm like, and it just kind of, it's so frustrating because I'm like, all right, I feel pretty decent buying in this. I mean, if I would have waited 3 days, I would have bought it at $2.25. I'm not perfect by any means, but I'm not worried about that because I know it's going to come back. I mean, I know it's going to, again, be worth more and all of that stuff. Yeah, I just wanted to have a dialogue with you. Again, I am not disillusioned with crypto. I am not disillusioned with XRP. I am okay with all of it from an investment standpoint, from a holder standpoint. I still believe fundamentally XRP is one of the biggest cryptos as far as a 10x, 20x, 30x potential out there. I still believe that firmly. Okay. So, but we are being tested. The price is being tested as we now know from this. So keep an eye on it. If we continue to drop, we will continue to see potentially more movement down. Okay. So we could see lower levels because that is a support level as far as $2.20. Okay. So keep that in mind. Okay. We don't want to drop too far below that, or we will most likely go below $2. If we go below $2, I'm probably going to buy more. Okay. I just see I see the opportunity, right? Okay. So with that, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. Take care. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Later.